Learning bass through YouTube can be a really frustrating experience. It can take a long time to find the right information that you need. Often that information isn't tailored to your specific needs. And by the time you've found the information you actually need, you've used up all your time, so there's no time left to practice. But all of that could be about to change, because in this video, I'm going to show you one tool that I've been working on that will help you find the information you need instantly, tailor it to your specific needs, and is also completely free. Now, before we start, this isn't me trying to take a dig or trying to knock any of the YouTube-based creators out there. There are some phenomenal educators on the platform who have done everybody a really, really great favor, and we will forever be in debt to them. Rather, my issue with learning bass on YouTube is all about the interface of it. When we're stuck as bass players and we try to improve by learning with YouTube, it can take us ages to find the information we want. If we want to learn to play faster, for example, we might have to watch 5, 6, or even 7 videos before we find the one bit of information that helps us progress. But that information still isn't tailored to our unique problem. So if we run into trouble, it's not like we've got anyone else to ask for guidance. We're still stuck. But hopefully that is all about to change with this tool that I've been building recently. It's linked down below in the description. You can get it for free, and that tool is, drum roll please, it's this. So this is something I've been working on recently, and before people ask, I'm not trying to use AI to replace bass teachers or anything like that. Let me explain what this is. This is Bass Technique Bot, and the idea behind it is that someone can go to this bot here and ask it a question about either plucking hand technique, fretting hand technique, how to practice, or how to stay motivated. For example, how do I learn floating thumb technique? And when you ask it a question like that, it will take a minute, it will think, and then it will give you an answer. Now, I should explain, I've trained this AI on all the technique videos that I've put on my YouTube channel. So essentially, this is all my own advice. But where this gets really, really cool is that it becomes like an interactive body of knowledge that you can talk to, and it can make suggestions that are specifically tailored for you. So when you put in a query, it's going to tell you why most bass players struggle, so a kind of common problem with it. It's going to tell you why your hands are likely locking up. It's going to tell you what you need to change, which is this bit here in orange. And then if you scroll down, it can even make you a little mini practice routine, which is this bit here in green. And of course, if there's something that you don't understand, you can actually ask it for more clarity and it will give you more detail. For example, how do I relax my thumb better when playing floating thumb? And it's going to dive down and give you even more detail. So you can get the information, you can get it tailored to what you need specifically. But there's still one problem with this, and this is where I really need your help. AIs are incredible, but at the end of the day, they are only as good as the data that they are trained on. And this is why I'm asking a favor. Below this video, there is a short 3-minute survey that you can take where you can get this bot for free. And what I'm asking you to do is tell me what your biggest #1 technique challenge that you're facing as a bass player is right now. There's also a few multiple choice questions about the way that you learn and your current playing ability and level. And the reason why I'm asking for this is really, really simple. If you submit your questions to me, I can then make better videos on those topics and cover them. And then I can use those video scripts to help train this AI so that it can give you better answers about the questions and topics you care about the most. Now, for clarity, your personal data is not going to be used to train this AI. The only thing that this is trained on are the video scripts that I write for all of my YouTube lessons. So what I'm really trying to create is a body of my own knowledge and experience that you can talk to and get tailored advice on how to get past your biggest roadblocks and biggest struggles as a bass player. And if we can train this better, then it means that this becomes a better tool for everyone that uses it. It's completely free. It's always going to be completely free. And hopefully the really cool thing about this bot is that if we build it the right way, then hopefully it's going to become much better at getting you the exact information that you need as quickly as possible, telling you what you're doing wrong, telling you what you should be doing to improve, tailoring all this advice to your situation exactly. And the more of my own teaching I can feed it based on your exact problems, the better the tool is going to be for everybody that uses it. So if you've got 3 minutes, I'd really appreciate it if you can take the survey down below. Once you've filled everything out, you'll be able to get access to the bot. You can use it on the free ChatGPT account. And the last thing to keep in mind is that because this is an AI and it's still in beta testing, it will make mistakes from time to time. So if it gives you some really terrible advice, I'm really, really sorry about that. But if you do have suggestions for how I could upgrade and improve this, I'd really appreciate it if you could email them to me and I will get back and respond to all the replies that I get. So if you're interested in helping me build this, take the 3-minute survey down below. Thank you massively in advance, and hopefully we can make this a really, really cool tool for everyone in the bass playing community on YouTube. And before we go, if you do want to see the sort of advice that it's been trained on, take a look at this video up here.